In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add other income on Freshbooks. This process is straightforward and helps you keep your financial records up to date with all the sources of income you might have. Let's dive in and walk you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Freshbooks website. If you're not sure where to go, simply open your preferred web browser and type in Freshbooks into the search bar, then head to their direct link. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see the login button conveniently located in the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. Next up, you'll need to sign into your Freshbooks account. Use your preferred method of signing in, whether it's through your email and password, or any integrated social login options Freshbooks provides. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Freshbooks dashboard, which is essentially your command center for managing your finances. From the dashboard, look for and click on the Create New button. This button is your gateway to entering new financial data into Freshbooks, including other income. After clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here, you'll want to select Other Income. This will bring you to a new screen where you can input your income details. First, click on Source. This allows you to describe where this extra income is coming from. You'll likely see a list of options or perhaps a field where you can type in custom information. Once that's done, move on to choosing the income type. This step helps categorize your various streams of income for better organization and reporting. Now proceed by clicking on Amount. This is where you'll input the specific dollar amount of this income. Make sure to double check your figures for accuracy, as this will be reflected in your financial reports. If your income includes any taxes, you'll need to indicate this by clicking on Add Included Taxes. Here you can specify what part of the income should be considered taxable. If your income doesn't require this, you can simply skip this step. Next, click Show Payment Details to input or confirm more specific information about how this income was received or paid. This could include payment methods or reference numbers, which are useful for later audit trails or confirmations. Finally, before wrapping up, you'll want to double check all the details you've entered. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize the addition of this income into your Freshbooks account. It's a critical step to ensure your data is securely stored and reflected correctly in your records. And there you have it. You've successfully added other income in Freshbooks, ensuring your financial records are comprehensive and up to date. Keeping track of every income source not only helps in generating accurate reports, but also gives better insight into your business health over time. Make sure to periodically review your entries to keep everything tidy and accounted for. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful in managing your finances with Freshbooks.